Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to search messages on WhatsApp to find texts fast. To do this, you have just to go to your WhatsApp, open WhatsApp, and here you have two solutions. If you don't know the message that you are looking for in which conversation, you can use the search bar on the top of the screen. And for example, I will ask him to find a message that starts with hello, and he will give me all the messages that contains the text hello in all the conversations. And if I know in which conversation I'm looking to my message, I will open that conversation and click on the three dots on the top right of the screen and click on search and search the text that I want here on and look, and as you can see, it gives you the text that you are looking for in your actual message. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.